you guys, help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Woo! So I do have a treat coming for you guys. But I'm actually sick. Like, I've got a cold, so yeah. I'm waiting for some chinkly to come. Obviously, because of COVID, it's not coming till like next month, which sucks. If anyone has a link of like getting it to England in like a week, let me know. Or a shop in England, let me know. Um, and yeah, so I'm gonna be uploading some Chinkly videos as soon as it comes. And just guys, let me know. DM me, not DM, comment down below what you would like to see on my videos. I want to do some lives with Chinkly. I think that'll be fun. And then yeah, let me know any other ideas you guys have.